The object in pitball is to knock the ball out of the ring. The ring that you see behind me is constructed of rubble. The rubble comes from the power plant that we had here, had in the past tense. That was before it was stuffed with dynamite and exploded into little itty bitty pieces that actually became the basic construction material for our ring. There's about 3,500 cubic yards of material. The slope of the ring is 20 degrees, which allows the competitors to roll the ball up relatively easily, but the surface is quite soft, so some vehicles have been unable to actually push the ball up far enough to score a goal, or in some cases they've gotten up quite far, almost scored a goal but didn't. Some vehicles, on the other hand, are able to navigate this quite smartly. The backside of this ring is 30 degrees. The ball drops off pretty quickly and is contained by a barrier that's actually around the outside that you can't see. This is our pitball. Our pitball is 5 feet in diameter. It's constructed of steel. It's the same geodesic shape as a soccer ball. So it's constructed of pentagons and hexagons. The material that we've used is 42 millimeter diameter steel tubing with a 4 millimeter wall thickness. It's extremely durable. We've had 2 cars collide head on into it and it's remained intact. The center is stainless steel coming down to a globe within which we've got a flaming wick. So this is how we set the pitball on fire. This is soaked in paraffin or kerosene. We set it on fire, roll it down, and use it for the show. We did have some pitballs that were originally constructed entirely of stainless steel. The first time that they got between two cars, actually trying to score a pitball goal, they crushed it like a bug. So we had to make these. These are actually our second pitballs, which have proven to be extremely durable. Of course, the truest test is the competition. We couldn't test it with competitors because they would know what the game's about. So I did borrow one of the competitors' vehicle. They didn't know about it. Actually, they had lost. And gave it a good smack out in one of the areas we have here. And it took a pretty good dent, but it remained intact, so that's really what we want as far as the durability of the ball itself.